Hi, my name is Callie Naylor with Arizona Water Company. In this video, we'll take you through checking for leaks inside your home. If you watched the previous video on how to isolate your service line and have shut off the water supply to your home, turn the water back on for this next part. Head inside your home and check for any dripping faucets or shower heads. If you locate one, turn off the water to that appliance first before unscrewing the handle and removing the cartridge. For sinks, there is a knob underneath the sink that can be turned clockwise to turn off the water supply. You can take these items to a hardware store to have them replaced. A common indoor leak is a toilet leak. To check for a toilet leak, first remove the lid from the toilet tank and check that the water level is properly set. Make sure there is ½ inch to 1 inch of clearance from the top of the overflow tube. If the water level is too high, it will continuously overflow into the overflow valve, wasting water. You can adjust the water level by adjusting the knob or rod next to the overflow valve. Another way your toilet can leak is if the flapper is not closing properly. To check this, you can place a few drops of food coloring in the toilet tank and wait 5 minutes. If the dye color has seeped into the toilet bowl, then you have a toilet flapper leak. Arizona Water Company offers free toilet leak detection tablets available for pickup at your local office. Old toilet flappers can be easily replaced by taking them to a hardware store and purchasing a new flapper. Make sure that your new flapper fits your toilet brand. If you feel like your toilet is not efficient, Arizona Water Company offers a toilet rebate program to their customers to install a new water-efficient toilet in your home. Please see the link for more details. Check out our final video on how to test a water softener or reverse osmosis system for leaks.